Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, as today we're going to be learning how to clean and assemble a harmonica. If you guys like what you're seeing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is take off your cover plates. So what we got here is the front, back, and then this right here is your comb slash reed plates. That's kind of what the harmonica is. So let's move on to step number 2. So what you're going to need is a glass of water. If you don't have a glass of water, go get a glass of water. You can pause the video right now. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to want to dump everything into this glass of water, like so. And then finally the harmonica comb, put that in there as well. And now you're going to want to wait some time, so about 15-20 minutes, and we're going to come back and we're going to clean it off. So about after 15-20 minutes, you're going to want to take it out, and this is how you want to keep the comb. You always want to keep it holes down so that the water can be pushed out by gravity and it could dry more easily. Anyway, let's dry it off and let's move on. Alright, now since your harmonica is dried, what you want to do is just give it a couple taps to get any loose water out. So this next part you're going to want to do with like steel wool, but just clean that tiny little bit on the cover plate. There should be a tiny little white strip of dried up saliva. You're going to want to take like a sponge or some steel wool and just go for that tiny little piece. As you can see, I've already done it. So let's move on to the next step, shall we? And as you can see, there's some white particles. You could take a Q-tip and just go through each one with some water or some alcohol, and that should clean it up just fine. And lastly, the final step is to reassemble the harmonica. And that step is pretty self-explanatory. Let it dry out first. That's all I could say. Don't forget to clean the holes. And until next time, peace.